What's up, everyone? It's Daniel Cho from Wealth Warriors. So today we're gonna do this live training. So I want to jump on here. Today's training topic, I want to share with you the top 3 mistakes that people are making and that are stopping them from making $10,000 per month. Worst case, these 3 biggest mistakes are stopping people from making any money online at all. So top 3 mistakes that you probably are making that's stopping you from making 10K per month or making any money online at all. You got to fix these 3 mistakes because after you fix these mistakes, then these are the results that I can generate on a daily basis. Like when I took a shower, another $1,000 profit came in. This is Chris, one of our coaches. Left hand side, he made $1,000 in a day while taking his daughter, right, doing something fun outside. Right hand side, right, using the same strategy, he got himself a monthly recurring customer that's paying him $4,000 every single month. Not only that, Michelle implement the strategy that I will be teaching you today. He made another sale from UBC. Actually, I mean, as long as you know the framework, you can sell any product you like. And that's what we teach inside our POP program as well. So you see our students, our coaches, right? They can sell anything they like online. It's not about one particular product. It's about if you know how to do the marketing in a right sequence. Michelle made another sale while she took her vacation. This is Ankush, another coach of our team, right? He is in India. He made $4,700 in a day, directly paid to his bank account. $4,000 for anybody in India, right? That's big money. Not only that, I'm gonna show you some other results as well. But let's jump right into it. What are those 3 mistakes? Mistake number 1. This is the biggest one. I see people are making time to time again, chasing shiny objects. I'm guilty, right? Just like everybody else, I chase a lot of shiny objects when I first started out online. And that's exactly why I was struggling, because I thought in order to make real money online is to find that magic product. If I can find that magic product, then I can turn my life completely around, right? From being sued by the credit card company, from being on food stamps to finally become an internet millionaire, right? As long as I can find that magic product. Wrong. So many people keep searching for that magic product, but they never get anywhere. Here is another comment I got today, right? I black out the name. Here is the very common comment I get all the time. On the surface level, you might think we are chasing different products, but it's actually not. So this comment I got this morning, it says, hey, you guys have started doing this program now. What about your own programs, right? And I drop a comment. I say, we actually got 17 different products and services like this one, putting in money in our system completely on autopilot. That's actually what we teach inside our POP program. And Nathan dropped another comment saying that, yeah, we promote multiple offers thanks to our multiple income system on autopilot. I want to share with you that secret today. You can see that me and Nate, 2 ordinary blue collar dads, right now, pretty much anything we touch becomes gold. How can we do that? It's not about chase any individual product. I just got another message, right, from a friend of mine on Facebook, and she said, POP is the master resale rights program, right? And there are so many other master resale rights program out there. So she thinks that there are a lot of competition out there. Why our POP program stands out? As long as you understand what I will be teaching you today, then you understand why. Because it's not about one particular product. It's about the system that you put in place. If you know how to put that system in place, I'm talking about from front end to the back end. How do you get traffic? How do you nurture leads? How do you convert them, right? Once you know how to do things in the right sequence, you have that system in place, then you can plug in any offer you want to sell. Pro tip number 1, mastering one method. It's not chasing one particular product. You mastering one method, and that method can work for any product. That's pro tip I want to give to you guys. This is our new student. Erin, right? She said you can promote anything. She just got started with us a few days ago, right? I have an online ministry. Her niche is in Christian, right? Christian entrepreneur niche. I have an online ministry. I post reels every day. The company I bought my necklace from that I wear in the reels has an affiliate program. I was approved for their affiliate program yesterday. This afternoon, I posted a Facebook and IG story of the necklace. I followed Nathan and Daniel's framework and made $12 for making 5 minutes to post it. It doesn't sound like a whole lot, but it's a start. You don't have to promote affiliate marketing courses or even pub itself. Just follow their training and coaching and you can promote anything. It works. Congratulations to Erin. 5 minutes of work, boom, money show up, right? Because she knows the framework. She can sell a lot of different stuff online. So master one method. Pro tip number 2, one method. What's that one method? Me and Nate and our students are learning and also mastering how to get people from social media to visit our landing page. Everything else can be automated, but that one method that we focus on day in and day out, right, is how can I get people to visit our landing page? I'm using our pop offer as an example because if I can get people visit our landing page, I'm going to give them something valuable in this example. As long as people put in their email, they will receive our 3-day affiliate battle plan, right? Which was selling for $17 previously. As long as they put in their email, we're going to give them this course for free as a gift. After they put in the email, they're going to go to the next page to watch the pop free training. Then if they want to take it further, they can purchase the product. But the key is after they put in their email, then the entire automated system kick in. That's why you see me and Nate have 17 different passive income stream without us doing nothing. It all started from here because everything else is automated. Inside the system, I have high ticket master resale rights product, POP. I also have $500 offer, $7 offer, different tools, different services, right? That's tailored to different people in my audience. Does that make sense? But we only focus on mastering one method, which is getting people to visit this landing page. You can do this on Facebook. You can do this on TikTok. You can do this on Instagram. You can do this on Pinterest. Doesn't matter. Just master one method. Isn't that exciting? Do you think you can do this? Just master this one method, getting people to visit your landing page and have a properly set up automated system, do the nurturing, following up, closing for you. Once you know how to put a system like this, you can plug in any offer you want to sell. And based on our data, right, this is for our current POP program, 1 out of 15 people opting to our landing page will purchase the product. So if we can get 15 people to visit our landing page and put in their email per day, one purchases, right? Like this morning, I got another $1,000. One person purchases, that's $1,000 a day. That's $365,000 a year. It's possible. That's the potential. That's the potential. I'm not saying you're going to get it overnight, but just master one method. Then you can get results. Now, mistake number 2. This is a big one, especially for my fellow marketers out there, right? Whatever you try to sell, make sure you don't make this mistake. Mistake number 2 is not understanding their audience. What do I mean by that? When you go out there, you see everybody is selling different product, different program, which is fine. But you see a lot of beginners in their content. What do they focus on? They will make a post and say, hey, this product can give you this benefits. And this is why you should buy from me. They focus on what they want to sell. They don't focus on their audience. Does that make sense? For any marketers, you have to understand your audience. You don't focus on your product. When you focus on your product, that's you focus on yourself. You focus on what you want to sell. When you focus on your audience, you understand their desire. You understand their pain point. You understand why they want to move from point A to point B. If you can communicate through that way, you can sell any product you want. So pro tip number one, focus on them, not focus on you. When I say focus on them, it means that you have to study their pain points. You have to study their dream outcome. Who is your target audience? Pick one first. My target audience is somebody like me, middle-aged parents, probably have a young family, working busy 9 to 5. I used to work a blue-collar job, right? I deliver vehicle parts. I was on food stamps. I got sued by credit card company, right? Despite I work for 10, 12 hours every day, busted my ass, but I still worse than living paycheck to paycheck. I couldn't pay my bills. So I know the desire, I know the pains, right? For other parents like me. So that's what I talk about. I talk about their struggles. I talk about what will happen if there is a solution can help you eliminate all these pains. So focus on them. If you can communicate to your audience by talking about them, not talking about your product, then you can offer whatever solution you think that's the best for them. Does that make sense? Let me give you pro tip number two. Display understanding. Okay, I learned this from an eight-figure marketer. Look at your own content, whether that's the copywriting on your funnel, copywriting in your email, whether that's the words coming out from your mouth, whether that's your TikTok video, doesn't matter. Review your content. Hey, did I display any understanding in this particular content, in this piece of content? Because the most powerful content is the people who read or watch that content, they feel, hey, you know exactly how I feel. I'm not a native English speaker, but people feel that impact, feel that emotion, feel they feel I understand them, right? Because part of it, because I went through those struggles myself. But here's the marketing tip. You have to display that understanding. This is very important. If you can make them feel you understand them, you understand their current struggles, you understand where they want to go, then your selling job becomes much, much, much easier. Focus on them. Don't focus on yourself. Don't focus on your own product. Focus on their pains. Focus on their struggles. Focus on their dream outcome. Focus on what they want, where they want to go. Mistake number three. Here it is. Overcomplicating the process. I have seen a lot of people, right? Good entrepreneurs, when they want to launch their own offer or when they pick up a new offer they want to sell, they started thinking about doing complicated funnels. They started thinking about how to create the upsell, downsell, right? If people don't buy this, how should I guide them to guide them to the next offer? They worry about that complicated content strategy. That's overcomplicating the process. Simplicity makes money. So you want to make sure your process, your method is as simple as possible. And this is, I want to emphasize this again. That's why me and Nate, we don't have any special talent. We only focus on one thing, get the backend system set up properly. Then all we focus on is how to get more people visit this landing page. Then we let system do the work. And from the side, right, we will speed up that nurturing process by talking to people in DM to see if any of my friends, audience have any questions, have any challenges, I can help them on the side, right? That will speed up the nurturing process. But mainly, we rely on our system, do the nurturing, do the closing for us. I mean, we have seen people, right? They jump into our system, they don't buy right away, right? Because they didn't know us from Adam. But once they go through the process, just last week, boom, I made another $1,000. When I look into it, right, that person has been on our email list for over 100 days, 103 days. So even if you are not making sales right now, as long as your process is correct, as long as your system is on point, just focus on getting more people into your system. They will be converted over time. Now, here's the summary. If you want to make 10K per month, even, I mean, this applies to if you want to make $1,000, your first $1,000 online, your first 10K month, right? Or even your first $50,000 month. This is what you need to focus on. Focus on one audience. I'm not trying to sell to, at least in your marketing message, you don't want to focus on different audience. Focus on busy 9 to 5, blue collar parents, stay at home mom, college graduate, right? That's too many audience. Just focus on one audience. Like I say, I focus on middle-aged parents like myself, probably have young family, having a busy 9 to 5, but still not making enough to help them go to where they want to go, right? That's my audience. That's what I focus on. Focus on one audience. Number two, focus on one problem that you can solve. You can sell a different offer, but focus on one problem. You want to pick one particular problem in that particular audience that you can solve. So for me, will be that problem I can help people to solve is to make additional income and eventually replace their full-time income or even more by doing internet marketing. Number three, one solution. This can also be translated to one business model. What's that business model? The solution you can provide to help them get from point A to point B, right? If you want to make money online, there are so many different ways. What's your way? So one audience, one problem from that audience, one solution. What's your unique solution to help them solve that problem? And for people, right, if you want to learn how to put everything together and achieve your first 4-figure days online, right, you can go to, because some of you might watch this on YouTube. If you don't know how to put everything together yet, you can go to this link, bit.ly/POP free training. Then me and Nate will walk you through step by step, 3 simple steps that you should put together that's going to help you to sell anything online. And so take a screenshot, whatever, go to this link, bit.ly/POP free training.